Hey guys, it's Jay Call from Industrial Control, the manufacturing millennial. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Right now, I brought home with me a side project while I'm working from home, and that's the Datalogic Unique 15-watt laser marker. And what I'm doing is making my own custom business cards. I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to make your own. I got a blank card right here I'm going to put into our fixture. And once it's set up, I'm going to press play. While that's marking, I'm going to tell you a little about what it can do. We can laser mark anywhere from date codes to serial numbers to company information, as well as 1D and 2D barcodes for your traceability. If you would like your own custom code or to see how this works, feel free to send me a PM on LinkedIn or contact me in the information on this card, and I'd love to get back with you and get your own custom card. We can go ahead and mark anything you want on there, and even put your favorite sports team logo on there. Once they start playing again, you can carry that around. I hope you guys all have a great day, flatten the curve with me, and stay safe. Thanks, guys.